Alright, well now the camera's in a different position. Oh well, I had a malfunction here. One of my batteries went dead. Had to jump up and change it, so I don't know how much of that you missed or got. Anyway, another thing that I always carry with me is I have this wool blanket. This wool blanket stays in the bottom of the tote. It helps cushion things that I've got in there, like my EDC bag, or sometimes I take multiple cameras with me. So anyway, I got that to cushion that. Other than that, on the bike itself, I carry a ammo box with tools to repair the bike. Now I'm going to go around myself and start pulling off things that I carry on me. Alright, when we lit off, I showed you all the stuff and explained what I carry in the trailer and in my EDC bag, or get home bag. Not a whole lot. Enough to just get by. Like I said from the very beginning, I'm usually, I'll say within, well, always within 10 miles of home, but 99.99% of the time I'm within 4 miles. So anyway, go through what I carry on me now. Flashlight. Okay, you saw I had a headlight inside my EDC bag, flashlight, and then my headlight on my bicycle, it comes off and doubles as a flashlight. Alright. Next, I carry one of these paracord hand grenades, they call them. It's got a couple of fish hooks, fish weights, tiny ferro rod, striker, some aluminum foil, I can't remember what all, but there's several different little things in there. And my EDC multi-tool. It's not an expensive one, it's a cheaper one, but until we can afford to get a good one, that's why we're living frugal and prepping. Okay, and then let's see, the only other thing I got on this side in my back pocket is a bandana, which this bandana would usually be, the camera that I usually take with me is rolled up in this and put in the top of the EDC bag. That's why I put the shemagh in there to take the place of that. Okay, coming around over onto the other side. Let's see. Here I got my keys. Got the alarm system for my bicycle. Got a can opener. Got a handcuff key. My house key. Oh, the cover's coming off of this. I was wondering when that was going to happen. Came off all the other ones. One of these little permanent matches. More hair. This has a glass breaker on it. Striker. Ferro rod. And they're all O-seals. O-seals? Whatever. And then a little bit of tinder down in here. Okay, and that's what I got on my keys. Then pin, knife, not an expensive one, but it does the job. I sharpened it up real good and it will cut. Like I said, it's a cheaper one, but it's a nice knife. So I got the Schrade there. Next thing, another canister of pepper spray. This one stays on my belt all the time. the other one stays on the bug out bag, the small pin one. And then the next thing is just my wallet, and well, I can't really get it up here too good. It's on a chain, so I don't lose it. Anyway, I always carry a few dollars in it. Let's see. I've got another one of these little credit card knives. Another one of these Going Gear Fresno, however you say it. And my ham radio license. And other documents that don't need to be seen. Anyway, this was part 2. We're also right in the middle of filming on the bike. Somebody wanted to know more about the gas motor and how it worked and everything, and so we'll be finishing that up here pretty quick. Oh, now this bag, like I said, you'll find it for many prices. Right down here, I'll show you a clip here of what I paid for it, and then I'll show you a clip of what it's selling for. Now, I don't know why I got it so much cheaper. I'm a Prime member, and sometimes when things go on sale, if you have them on your wish list, it'll pop up a notification on your phone, and you can go and see what's on sale that you have on your wish list. I don't know if it was that or if I just happened to run into it when it was on sale. I cannot remember. So anyway, this has gone off for long enough. This half is almost 8 minutes long. So until next time, stay prepared,